If CapCut is showing a storage error on your PC, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you 2 quick fixes that can help free up space and stop the error from coming back. We'll clear CapCut's cache, and then we'll change where CapCut saves your future projects so your main drive doesn't keep filling up. This is especially useful if your C drive is almost full and CapCut keeps refusing to export, save, or open drafts properly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut PC and make sure you're on the main homepage dashboard. From there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. A drop-down menu will appear, so click Settings again to open the full Settings panel. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for the Draft tab. Under that section, you should see the cache size option. This is the temporary storage CapCut uses to keep files, previews, and draft data on your device. If the cache grows too large, it can cause storage problems and slow down the app. To fix that, click the trash can icon next to the cache size option. CapCut will ask you to confirm the action, so click OK to clear it. Once the cache is removed, CapCut should immediately free up some space on your system. This simple step often solves the storage error for many users, especially if the app has been used for a long time, or if you edit a lot of videos regularly. Now let's move on to the second fix, which is extremely helpful if your main drive is always full. If your C drive is running low on space, you can force CapCut to save future project files and renders to a different location. This can be an external drive, a second internal drive, or another partition with more free space. Doing this helps prevent the storage error from returning later. To change the save location, go back into CapCut settings. At the top of the interface, find the Save To option. This controls where CapCut stores your project files and output data. Next to it, click the folder icon. A file browser window will open, and now you can choose a new directory on a drive with more space. Pick the folder or drive you want CapCut to use, then click Save to confirm the change. Once you've done that, CapCut will start routing your future saves to the new location instead of the crowded C drive. That means less pressure on your system storage, fewer export issues, and a much smoother editing experience overall. If you were stuck with a CapCut storage error, these 2 steps can make a big difference right away. So, just to recap, first clear the app cache from the draft settings, and then update the save to location to a drive with more free space. Those 2 changes can help you fix the CapCut storage error quickly and safely without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.